how to add afterpay to acuity scheduling. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add afterpay to acuity scheduling. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open up your preferred browser and go to official website of Squarespace. After that, log into your account and you will on this page. Now, make sure your acuity scheduling is linked with Squarespace. Now, just simply on the top left side, you can see there is a menu available. Just scroll down and here you will find the payment settings option. Just simply click here. So now if you have a Stripe account, so your Stripe account is directly connected to Afterpay. So you can add Afterpay through Stripe with Acuity scheduling. So now if your Acuity scheduling is linked with Squarespace, you can directly add Afterpay through Squarespace. So that's basically how you can add Afterpay to Acuity scheduling. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.